Because I'm making teardowns of Mercury all the time, let's try something different now. This is fluorescent balls in spotlight shade with Gu10 socket. This is the older technology which mostly was used before all those tungstens were around. Oh shit. And in the old days, if you wanted to save power, you just were around and you just replaced your LED light bulbs with those. It contains a fluorescent drug in it. It's a tube covered with phosphorus from the inside, and there is gas filling, usually mercury and LED, and there is electric arc inside, which produces ultra pink light, and the phosphorus converts this light to white light. And there is also an electronic supply power or electronic drug to supply power into the tube. So let's test them. This one says 4000 watts, 50 or 60 volts, 220 to 240 hertz, and kelvins. So this is cool white. Let's connect it. And yes, I'm handling the mains voltage really horribly. And it lights up. And in about 4000 minutes it will reach the full brightness. This one works really well, and the power is about 6-7 watts. Definitely do this. Shit. About 6-7, that's right. And this one is 40, this one doesn't work well. It has a really strange fall. It has a bullish light. I was waiting for it to light up at full brightness, but it just does. Even after 1 hour, it's just a very dim ball pinkish light, and it just doesn't illuminate balls. It's really dim. And the power on is 5.6 watts. This one should be 9 watts. I don't know what is wrong about this one, but maybe it's a wrong gas filling. Maybe there is just pink LED without the mercury in it. It really produces almost no light. So let's open mercury up. How do I do this? Let's try to poke this one out. Is it glass or plastic? Oh, it sounds like it's really plastic. It's plastic. I was thinking it's a plastic. There is the tube with the reflector. So let's see it running once more. It's like a pink green. So let's open it up. There is the electronic mercury device. There's a fusible resistor, some interference inductor. I can see one resistor. There should be another. There are 2 resistors. Some feedback transformer. High frequency burst. Inductor. There are the wires from the tube. There is something like a startup or a thermistor, or maybe a TC. So this is the tube wild, and see you in my next videos.